Good afternoon, this is Rich, and the markets kind of had a disappointing day as it turned out. We were pretty enthusiastic overnight. The markets were firm coming into the open this morning. Saw a lot of turnaround in some of the other markets. The dollar a little weaker today, so we saw commodities trade a little higher. But ultimately, the commodity markets faded. I think part of the reason for that fade was the word that we were going to file a WTO complaint against China for their trade practices or trade tariffs on U.S. poultry imports. And so, long story short, I think that was disappointing to the trade, who had been hoping that we would see corn exports to China any day now with the weaker futures market. So we did see the markets back up here at the end of the day. However, cattle hogs stayed firm throughout the session. Most of the other markets had a pretty quiet close. We had December corn at $6.90 down 2 cents. March corn at $7.03, also down 2 cents. November soybeans up 2 at $13.38. January beans up 2 cents at $13.48 3/4. The December cotton down 0.11 at $105.41. Chicago December wheat up 1 3/4 at $6.74 3/4. December Kansas City wheat down 3 at $7.65, and December Minneapolis up 3/4 of a cent at $8.42 1/2. The dollar ended up just fractionally lower on the day. Crude oil up $1 a barrel. Gold up $28 an ounce, and the Dow up 12 points at 11,335. We'll see what the reaction is tomorrow. Here we get a day behind us or so after this filing takes place, and maybe things will start to settle down. I know Dan Huber in his technical comments mentions that still looking for a bit of a setback here this week or even today as a buying opportunity, and so we did reach his target at $6.92 December corn as a possible buying opportunity. Also looking at soybeans and wheat as well. So I think that the market's maybe putting in a bottom right at the moment and giving ourselves a chance for a hopefully a bit of a rebound on into next month. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.